Matter is something that has mass and volume. It could be air, food, stones, clouds, or anything that we see around us. The SI unit of mass is kilograms, and the SI unit of volumes is meter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, and 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Matter can be classified based on their physical nature. The physical nature of a substance refers to its fundamental properties that describe what it is made of and how its particles behave. Without changing its composition. Another classification of matter can be based on its chemical nature. The chemical nature of a substance describes how it behaves in a chemical reaction. Now we are going to study the physical nature of matter by studying two activities. The first activity is we take water in a beaker and add salt to it. So the salt is deposited on the bottom at first, as you can see in the figure, and then we stir it. After stirring, we see that the salt molecules spread throughout the water molecules as given in the figure. So by this activity, we can observe that matter is made up of particles. In another activity, which is activity 2, we take 100 ml of water in a beaker and then add potassium permanganate crystals 2 or 3 into 100 ml solution of water as seen in this figure. We take 10 ml of this solution of this potassium permanganate solution and then again add it in the 90 ml of water, and we keep on doing this. This experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water, about 1000 liters. So we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate, which keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. By this activity, we can see that the particles of matter are very small.